MrBeast just gave away 10,000 dead dogs as a part of a food drive for Thanksgiving, and people are mad at him. People are asking how could he pay for the killing of 10,000 innocent dogs just for someone's taste pleasure. But what I think these people don't understand is MrBeast is doing a good thing here. Just because it doesn't align with their morals of, liking dogs, it doesn't mean that everyone else also has to comply. Don't forget, MrBeast, by giving away these 10,000 dead dogs, has fed 10,000 human families. If you're one of the people complaining about MrBeast doing this, what have you done to feed 10,000 families? Have you ever fed 10,000 families? I bet MrBeast has done more with this initiative than you will ever do in your life. So don't be a hater, Some people are asking, why couldn't he just give away turkeys, right? Why did he have to give dogs, right? Eating turkeys is a part of our culture. Eating dogs is not part of our culture. But you see, MrBeast is more culturally understanding of other cultures than you are, right? Eating dogs is a part of many cultures, and many cultures have eaten dogs for centuries. By saying that MrBeast should not have done this, you silly dog lovers, you're saying that the lives of dogs are more important than the lives of human beings. You people would prefer it if a human being starved to death, if it only meant that not killing your precious little animal whom you love so much. You people, you dog lovers, need to seriously ask yourself, why do you pay more importance to the life of a dog than you do to the life of a human being?
Hey Aditya,
What's that?
maybe it's not about valuing dogs more than humans. Maybe it's about valuing dogs more than human taste buds.
You're fired. Look, what you people need to understand is MrBeast is doing a good thing here, right? Just he cannot be perfect, right? But this is a good thing, and it needs to be appreciated. And you don't have to worry. These dogs that MrBeast bought, right? Those dogs were not just taken away from people. These dogs were specifically bred to be consumed by humans. So if MrBeast had not paid for them to be breeded into existence, they never would have existed in the first place. So really, MrBeast is doing them a favor. Also, I know that you dog lovers are just extremists and you will not accept how good this is, but these dogs were humanely slaughtered, right? They were just shot in the head with a bolt gun and they were like stunned and then they were killed. So there was no suffering involved, okay? Calm yourself down, okay? Also, MrBeast made sure that these dogs were raised in a sustainable fashion. So this raising of dogs didn't harm the environment, right? It was done in a sustainable manner. Now, before you extremist dog lovers go and attack MrBeast for doing this thing because you have some moral issue with killing dogs, ask yourself, what have you done for 10,000 families? Because remember, unless you have done something to help out many, many, many people, you can never criticize someone for doing something that you consider immoral. You can never explain to them the moral issues with what they are doing. You are not allowed to criticize that person, okay?
Hold on.
What's that?
It was not dogs, it was turkeys.
Okay, slight correction here. MrBeast gave away turkeys, not dogs. But come on, what's the moral difference between dogs and turkeys? They are both sentient animals who can suffer, who can experience pain and suffering. So the same things that I said about dogs, about why we are justified to kill them and torture them for our food, the same applies to turkeys. If you say these arguments don't apply to dogs, then it also doesn't apply to turkeys, really, because what's the moral difference? And we know that it is okay to kill turkeys and eat them, right?
Hey,
What's that?
so maybe don't eat either of them?
Oh, shut up, vegan.